In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get right into this. There is actually a few different ways to download a YouTube video, and I'm going to explain all of them in this video. So first, I want to show you how you can go and download your own YouTube videos. To do that, first you need to go to your YouTube studio. So go to the right corner and click on your profile picture, just like this. Then tap on YouTube Studio. Once you are in your studio, you're going to see your content here. Now, find the video that you want to download. In this case, I'm going to choose this one right here. Then hover over the video with your mouse and you are going to see these three dots next to the video. Click on these three dots and then you can go and tap the download. And just like that, the video will start downloading. If you go and look at the top right of my browser, as you can see here, the video is now downloading to my computer. However, you may want to go and download other people's video. So now, let me show you how to do that. So firstly, go and find the video which you want to download. I'm going to go and download this video here. So go and click on the one you want. Now scroll down and on the bottom right of the video, you are going to notice a download button. All you need to do is go and click on download, just like this. Then you can choose the quality that you want the video to be downloaded in. Select the quality you prefer. Now, if you don't have YouTube Premium, you are going to see an option to start your free trial. So what I'm going to do is go and start the free trial. Because to download other people's videos, you're going to need YouTube Premium. So I went and started my trial. And now the video is beginning to download. When it's finished downloading, you can go and watch it without having an internet connection, which is super useful. Alright, that's it. These are the 3 ways to download YouTube videos. Thank you for watching, have a good one, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials like this.